Swiper got all my grapes.
Swiper got all your grapes?
Yeah. And Swiper got all my grapes.
Swiper got all your grapes?
And
What do you
Swiper-
say? What do you say when Swiper takes your things? Tries to take your things?
Swiper no swiping. Swiper no swiping. Swiper no swiping. Swiper no swiping. No Swiper.
Good job.
Now punch Swiper.
You better eat your pizza. You better eat your pizza before Swiper gets it.
Swiper doesn't like pizza, Mama.
He doesn't. Why not?
Outside. He always doesn't like this. Mom, outside, Swiper.
Swiper's outside?
Yeah.
What are we going to do?
Once only our neighbors. Swiper.
We have to stop Swiper?
Yeah.
How do we stop Swiper?
Swiper no swiping. I'm going to go stop it out of the window. Just stop the window. Swiper no swiping. Swiper no swiping. Mom, Swiper went and I knocked him away.
Good job, Bella.
I eaten Swiper.
Good job, Bella.
Papa, Swiper no Swiper. See, Mom, I told you.
Saren said, say it with her.
Swiper no swiping. Swiper no swiping. Swiper no swiping. Swiper no swiper. With the swiper.
Good job. You say, lo hicimos? Good job. Buen trabajo. Good job. Say, hip hip hooray.
Look how high I do.
Say, da da da.
Da, da, da.
Still alive.
Still alive. I like that
Do it
movie
again?
says, I like that movie says, still alive.
Good job. Good job, girls. Love you.
Mom, can I tell you something?
Yes.
What day is each foot of the way?
All right.
I love that movie that we went to the movie theater and saw that movie that says, still alive.
It's a pretty good movie. We should go to the movie theater again sometime, huh? Good job.
No, kids.
More grapes? Okay. Bye-bye, everyone. Say bye-bye, everyone.
Bye-bye, everyone.
Ciao, ciao.
Bye-bye. Ciao, ciao. Ciao, ciao.